My name is Zandile Ndlovu. I'm 35 years old, based in Cape Town, South Africa. I became South Africa's first Black female freediving instructor. I'm also known as the Black Mermaid. Every single time there was a drowning, whether by a river close to my grandmother's or later on out at sea, it would be said that a snake took the child. And so you grow up with this stay away from all big bodies of water, but very quickly it becomes internalized, and that just builds on the fear. As we went on to jump into the water, I started freaking out. I'm drowning, it is messy. In the moments that follow is a self to self, calm down. And as I look beneath the surface of the water, the vast and overwhelming of the blues. And most incredibly was just seeing the floor of the ocean, and it felt like there was this light beneath it. And those were the sun rays on the coral reef. It was the most beautiful thing I'd ever seen in my life. Fell in love. There were all of these challenges, these racial tensions, because in South Africa, people were jailed for being at the wrong beaches, never mind being dispossessed of their ocean-facing homes. There's the physical history that creates a disassociation as to who belongs in the water and who doesn't. When I qualified as a freediving instructor in 2020, I wanted to use this certificate to be able to bring change in my community. The idea that we need to protect and save our oceans cannot be done by a minimal part of the population. It's hard to have that discussion when it feels like this white ocean has always been advocated by white people. We need all hands on deck to ensure that these little ones that are growing up become ocean guardians in their own right. They are able to advocate for the protection of our ocean.